to my channel. My name is Kaye, and for today's video, gagawa ako ng isang dessert, and it is called Dalgona Refrigerated Cake. So bali, ang recipe na to ay na-inspire lang ako sa previous na nagawa kong Dalgona Nescafe Gold. And for this refrigerated cake, I will use also Nescafe Gold, and hopefully maging masarap siya kasi first time ko lang to siyang gagawin. And this recipe, by the way, ay nakita ko lang siya sa Nestle cookbook, and na-curious ako kung ano ang maging lasa niya, and hopefully maging masarap siya at hindi masayang yung mga na-prepare kong ingredients. And hopefully also you will like it once you try it at your own home one day, pag nagustuhan nyo o pag feel nyo lang gumawa ng refrigerated cake. So I'll see you! kasi kaigising ko lang para tingnan yung refrigerated cake na ginawa ko yesterday. So, let's go down at check natin kung perfect ba. Okay, kain na lang ako. Gagawa ko ng coffee. So, see you. Sarap siya. Sakto lang yung lasa niya. Hindi siya super tamis. Matamis siya pero not that much. Sakto lang para sa akin. Sarap kasi yun sa coffee. So, thank you guys for watching and I hope that you will try this recipe. Dalgona refrigerated cake recipe as well, and I promise hindi kayo manghihinayang sa ingredients na binili nyo, and that's it. So I'm so happy, and I see you all guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.